If you're trying to grow your channel by getting more subscribers and those watch hours, you are going to find this tutorial very, very helpful because I'll be sharing 3 tips that I am using to grow my channel currently. I've been able to use these tips to grow my channel from this to this in less than 3 months. If this sounds like what you are interested in, then keep watching because you don't want to miss any of the steps. Before you set up your camera to start shooting, you must first know who your target audience are. Who are you preparing this tutorial or the video for? What are your audience interested in? What are they searching for? What are the things they like watching? Those are the questions you ask yourself before going ahead to start creating content. To help you with these questions, you can go ahead and use Google Trend, vidIQ, ChatGPT, whatever search engine that is available to you to research about your audience and what they are interested in and what you have to offer to. Once you have everything figured out, go over to other channels doing well on the same niche as you and find out what exactly they are doing right. What made you click that particular video that you want to watch? Is it the thumbnail? Is it the title? Is it the description? Is it informative? Is it entertaining? Is it educative? Whatever it is, start jotting those down. Something actually got your attention to click in the first place. You are not just going to watch their tutorials or their videos. Now you are going to watch it as a content creator. You are going to watch it as a YouTuber. You must take your time from the beginning of their video till the end. Whatever they are doing, you are going to check out everything about their channel or about that particular tutorial that caught your attention. What are those things that you've not been doing that you saw in that video, and what got you glued to that particular channel? After studying those channels and their popular videos, you are going to replicate the same thing. Don't get me wrong, I am not asking you not to be your real self. You are special. There's no other person like you in the whole wide world. Yes, we know that. But when it comes to YouTube, you have to learn what other people are doing and why their channel is growing. You are going to replicate the same thing with a twist of your own personality. You need to learn how to grab your audience attention and how to keep them. That is how you'll be able to get subscribers and also those watch hours for monetization. Lots of people out there have low attention span. There are lots of options for people to choose from, so they are scrolling very fast like this. If you waste their time, they move. So make sure you got straight to the point with whatever information you have to pass because nobody have that time to waste. Hello, welcome to Stella's DIY. My channel is all about DIY and I also share my experience on YouTube with new YouTubers, blah blah blah. Listen, you can go ahead and introduce yourself later on in the video or your tutorial if you want to. Once they click and come in, hook them with something like I did when I started this video. I told you guys what I have to offer. If you are introducing yourself at the beginning of your videos and people are clicking out, then you should try something else. Most people are no longer patient on social media, so what I'm trying to say is just go straight to the point. So if you are still here, that means I actually got your attention. Aww. If you are a YouTuber and you're growing your channel already, please make sure to drop your tips in the comment section so that other small channel can also gain from you. After working on these 3 things, make sure you check this setting out before shooting and posting your next video. Good luck. Are you looking at my mic? Okay. My face is still looking like if I'm smiling. Calm down. Before you set up your camera to start shooting, you must first know who your target audience are. Who are you preparing this tutorial or the video